everyone. Today I want to talk about the cell membrane, also called the plasma membrane. The cell membrane is a thin and flexible layer that surrounds every cell. It protects the cell and separates the inside of the cell from the outside environment. It also controls what enters and leaves the cell. Because of this, we call it a selectively permeable membrane. The cell membrane follows the fluid mosaic model. This means the membrane is flexible, not rigid. The molecules in the membrane can move, which helps the cell change shape and communicate with other cells. The membrane is mainly made of a phospholipid layer. Each phospholipid has one hydrophilic head and two hydrophobic fatty acid tails. The hydrophilic head like water, but the hydrophobic tails don't. The hydrophilic heads face the water on both sides of the membrane. The hydrophobic tails face each other in the middle. This arrangement forms a strong barrier. Usually one fatty acid tail is saturated and the other is unsaturated. The unsaturated tail has a band, so the phospholipids cannot pack tight together. This makes the membrane more flexible. The membrane also contains different kinds of proteins. Integral proteins pass through the membrane. They help transport molecules, receive signals, and act as ion canals. Peripheral proteins are attached to the surface of the membrane. They support the membrane and help with cell signaling. The membrane also contains cholesterol. Cholesterol keeps the membrane stable. It prevents the membrane from becoming too fluid or too dry. On the outer surface, there are glycoproteins and glycolipids. They help cells recognize each other, communicate, and attach to other cells. The membrane is asymmetrical, which means the outer layer and the inner layer are different. Each side contains different molecules and has different functions. Some parts of the membrane are called lipid rafts. They contain a lot of cholesterol and sphingolipids. Lipid rafts help organize proteins and improve cell signaling. The inner side of the membrane is connected to the cytoskeleton. This cytoskeleton supports the cell, maintains its shape, and helps the cell move. In conclusion, the cell membrane is much more than a simple barrier. It protects the cell, controls the movement of substances, helps cells communicate, and keeps the cell healthy. Thank you for listening.